Welcome to our class orientation on the general principles of veterinary medicine. The university envisions a quality and relevant education for its clientele to be globally competitive, culture sensitive, and morally responsive human resources for sustainable development. USM aims to help accelerate socioeconomic development, promote harmony among the diverse cultures, and improve quality of life through instruction, research, extension, and resource generation in southern Philippines. In this course, we are going to employ the hybrid or the blended type of learning. So under this, we have the asynchronous type of learning, wherein students are going to watch pre-recorded lecture videos or lessons, and the synchronous type of learning, which includes the face-to-face lecture as well as the online through Google Meet. These are the teaching and learning activities that we are going to utilize in this course. So we have the Google Meet, the USM VLE platform. We also have YouTube, Facebook, and Messenger. So the USM VLE 4.0, the VLE stands for Virtual Learning Environment, and students need an institutional email or the USM Gmail account for you to be able to enter this platform. You also need an enrollment key for you to be able to access the virtual platform. So in YouTube, we have our official channel, Pinoy Vet Acadz, and this channel will be a site where all our lecture presentations will be uploaded. You can also like and follow our FB page, Pinoy Vet Acadz, to be updated with our lessons, announcements, and some useful information about the course. In Messenger, we also have our group chat. You also need to be a member of this GC for you to be informed regularly about some important announcements about the course and to communicate with your instructor. The course is General Principles of Veterinary Medicine, and it is a course number VetMed 411. The course has a credit unit of 2. The lecture has 2 units. 2 hours will be intended for lecture per week. Our class schedule is every Monday and Wednesday, 7 to 8 a.m. And that will be on Monday, we have VM1, and Wednesday, we have online. This course shall examine the causes and effects of important diseases of food animals and companion animals with an emphasis on ruminant animal medicine. The different elements of veterinary medicine are integrated into a health management approach, emphasizing disease prevention. At the end of the course, students must be able to describe health and disease in the context of health management, describe the association of common diseases with suboptimal productivity or welfare, identify the relative importance of common diseases of common farm animals. At a basic level, describe the risk factors, etiology, clinical signs, and approaches to clinical and preventive management of common diseases of common farm animals, and to undertake physical examination, diagnosis and prognosis, and clinical management. For our course outline, our first topic will be about the scope of veterinary medicine. We also have the concepts of animal diseases, concepts of diagnosis, the general and the systemic states, part 1, and the general and the systemic states, part 2. We are also going to discuss some abnormalities of the digestive system, including vomiting, regurgitation, and simple indigestion, management of bloat, acidosis and abomasal displacement, enteritis and the megaesophagus, as well as the diseases of the stomach and the intestines. The university grading system shall be adopted, where the term grade shall constitute 33% of the grade for quizzes and long exams, 67% for the term exams. The final grade shall constitute 33% of the midterm grade, 67% for the final term grade. Passing percentage in any exams is 75% with an equivalent grade of 3.0. Evaluation of the student's performance will be based on the results of the quizzes, 1-hour exams, midterm, final exam, and requirements, if any. For the references, we have the Veterinary Clinical Medicine 1, General and Systemic at this particular website. And we also have our main textbook will be the The textbook by Radustich et al. 2006, Veterinary Medicine, a textbook of the diseases of cattle, 6th edition, as published by Edinburgh, Saunders, Elsevier.